Good morning, YouTube land. So I'm gonna give this whole vlogging thing a shot, and yeah. Anyway, so I've got to get the chainsaw chain sharpened up today, and I need to get working on the blue bowl, the I guess dinosaur egg bowl number dose. So it's gonna be a fun day, and let's get at it. First, I need some better light in here. That works. What a day. So I got this blue, I don't want to call it dinosaur egg bowl because that's taken, but it's one really similar, same wood, same color blue that was ordered that I've been working on today, as well as got a green one in the pressure tank. And there's crap on my lens. Right, that got it. Anyway, so I've been out here most of the day. These things, I swear, saved my life. Isotunes, love mine. I'd be driving myself crazy out here if I didn't have music or podcast or some nerdy comic book stuff playing in my ears. So I'm pretty much done for the day out here. I've got to get into the house and get some computer work done. So I will see you guys first thing in the morning. And oh yeah, I got the chainsaw chain sharpened up today. I know a lot of people ate me up on one of the Instagram videos. So I'm going to go back in the house and get to work, get this freaking thing off me. I've got crap all done in my shirt. Anyway, we'll see you guys later. Hope you have a great day.